POV teaching a kid how to drive. I don't know how to pause this, so we're just gonna put it up here. And I'm on my camera because apparently I can't make videos from YouTube. Okay, so POV teaching a kid how to drive. There is no one with me. It's only me, so after it, I'm gonna do like the voiceovers and stuff. So, yeah. Oh, Amazon guys here. See? Okay, let's do this. Oh, how do I push my seat up? Seat. You just pull the thing down, forward. Oh. Okay. Whew. Yeah, I'm still finishing my weapon. Okay, so what do I do to get it to drive? You have to find the key.
Where's the damn key?
Okay, there's a spider web. Yeah, there's a spider in this old car. So, okay, where is the key? Oh, there it is. Ugh. It doesn't work. I don't have a key, so. I have to twist it more. What's on? Oh, gotta turn that off. Okay. That box isn't in place. Let me just pop back in place. Look. Just see that? It's not in place.
There we go.
Nope. That put it back in place. Okay then. So now what? Put it in drive. What do you mean I'm in drive? No. N for normal driving. Oh. Oh wait, we have to back out. Okay. Ugh. And then goes forward. Oh! Okay, so we have to go in N for neutral. I hit a lady. Okay, drive. Okay. Ooh. Oh, where are we going? Look behind to make sure no one knows. Oh, ladies. We're gonna drive to McDonald's. And cut my hair. I have to go through the drive-thru. Ah, shit, there's a bee in front of my car. There's a bee in front of my car. Okay, I don't like that. Whatever. Guess we're going through the drive-thru. What do you mean I have to step on the gas? You can't step on it for me? Oh, no. Yeah. But I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Rolls down window. Hi, can I get a McFlurry and a kids meal? What do you want? A Big Mac? Okay. And a Big Mac. And can I get a Fanta with the kids meal? And what drink do you want? Coke? My dad wants a Coke. Okay. Next window, okay. Rolls up window. That lady was nice. Rolls down window. Hi, yeah. Yeah, that's my order. Pay. Here you go. Oh, do you want me to swipe it? Bleep, 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 bleep. Okay. Pick up my food at pick up 2. Okay. Okay. Drives up. Yeah, that's my order. Thank you. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Yeah. Okay, now we gotta get home. Oh. Look. Okay. What? I'm speeding? Okay. Okay, we're home. Get out. Okay, this was just a skit. This car doesn't turn on. Actually, it does turn on, but we just don't have the key for it. Where's the again? See, there's like no key. It's a ripped up car. Bye.